Hi, my name is Talha Parkar and welcome to the Excel to SQL series. This is the first of the many videos to come, and with each progressing video, we will be learning various concepts in SQL by replicating what we already know or what we will learn in Microsoft Excel. In the first video, we will be looking at getting started installing and setting up our SQL management system. So to get started, let's install SQLite, which is a database management system for SQL. There are many available. You have one from Oracle, one from Microsoft, but we are not going to get into the details of that. The whole concept or the whole idea of this series is to get hands-on and do the dirty data work to learn better and faster and get more efficient. Let me go to my browser. I'll put all the links that I show in the video in the description of the video itself. So we will be working on SQLite browser. You can just search for DB browser for SQLite, and this is the one that we will be working with. Why this one? It's quite easy to install. The setup is quite simple and it's quite handy, and the interface is quite easy to navigate. So this is the one that we will be working with, DB browser for SQLite. So all you have to do is go to the downloads button, right? Go to the downloads page, and here, if you're on the Windows, download the DB browser for SQLite standard installer for 64-bit Windows. Once you click on this, it'll ask you for the location to save the installer package. Since I've already downloaded this, I'll not be doing it again. So you can just save this installer package, double click and run, and the installation should complete after a few steps. I will now open DB browser SQLite to just show you what it looks like. This is this interface. It is quite bland and simple, but we're not concerned with that. We'll be using it to execute our SQL queries. And that's it for this video. In this video, we looked at installing SQL management system called DB browser for SQLite, and we'll be doing all our SQL queries in this video itself. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos in the Excel to SQL Mastery series.